Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix Wi-Fi not working on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So open up the settings app. Now here we want to go into the Wi-Fi, and here we have the Wi-Fi switch. Now it's disabled, and now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and after like 5 seconds we can enable it back. So after doing that, if there's still some issues, what you guys can do is forget the network that you're using by clicking on it, clicking forget, and clicking remove. Now we need to log into the same network, so I'll quickly do that off camera. Now what we need to do is click save, and as you guys can see, we are back and we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Now if this doesn't work, then we still can restart our phone and the router. So I do not have a router near me, but I can show you how to easily restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now we need to swipe up to restart it, and as you guys can see, now our phone is being restarted. So now all we have to do is just wait. Now after the restart, what we can do as a last resort is check for software updates. So let's open up the settings, and in the settings app we want to scroll down all the way until we see system and update. Now we want to click on software update, and here we need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our software. If we don't, then we may have a lot of glitches, including the Wi-Fi not working. So I'd recommend you guys to keep up with the newest version on your phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.